Today I am in Cairo with Azza Fahmy, and I've come to her workshops to see how her jewellery is made and find out more about the inspiration behind them. Now, you may associate Azza Fahmy mainly with Egyptian or pharaonic styles, but in fact she does bring together a rich array of cultures from around the world. So this is all from the Gypsy collection, and this ring has some beautiful Arabic calligraphy that says peace, no, love and compassion, is that right? Yeah, my Arabic's not very good, I'm sorry. And then we have this ring here which is very interesting because the sapphire is set on the side, and a bracelet here with a rubellite, which is a one of a kind because you wouldn't find exactly the same stone ever again. And we have a cuff here which Amina, who is Azza's daughter, she designs with Azza, and she saw a piece of Fabergé jewellery in a museum in Russia and decided to create a collection based around lace. So that's another string from a global influence. And we have a necklace here that can in fact be worn in, they tell me 17 different ways. We'll just see a few. So you can wear it this way round, or you can unclip it and have it the other way round. And there you are. And all noises in the background are genuine. We are really at the workshop. You can lengthen and shorten it like this, as you would a fob watch or a pendant that would have a locket on it. And we also have some earrings, and I want to show you this earring because I think it just showcases the amount of detail that goes into any Azza Fahmy creation. So you can see here Arabic script, and it's all beautifully smooth and swirling, lots of good wishes, peace, compassion, love. And then on the inside there is a floral motif. So that is the level of detail both in concept and in execution. And then on the other side we have a dressier pair of earrings. Look at that, aren't those great? And these have a sapphire with diamonds, and again there is more calligraphy at the top in Arabic. So that, I hope, gives you an idea of the richness of culture and the beautiful craftsmanship that goes into every single one of Azza Fahmy's jewels.